Bank Independent has been such a great partner because not only are they taking the stress of the finances off of our plate, but they're investing in us as we're investing in them. And I think that is a strong partnership. The spirit of what Bank Independent does is right there in the name.
From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your weather tonight.
We're on the mild side overnight with southerly winds increasing, mostly clear skies for the next few hours, but a few clouds coming back toward daybreak, mid to upper 60s for lows, and then we'll head up into the mid to upper 80s for daytime highs on Thursday. Just a few clouds around for the overnight, starting to get that southerly wind gusting though, clouds increasing toward daybreak as we get down to the mid to upper 60s. Now the futurecast is spitting out couple of light showers for tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening on the future radar. However, if you look at the actual precipitation rate of what reaches the ground out of the clouds, not showing much of anything. So we'll hold a 10% chance as a just in case of an afternoon and evening shower here, but this is the only model that shows this, and the other products that shows how much of this actually reaches the ground, not showing anything, and we really don't expect many, if any, people at all to get rain for our Thursday. I think it's going to be partly cloudy, breezy, and warm. Daytime highs mid to upper 80s. A few folks might be knocking on the door of 90 in northwest Alabama. Mostly cloudy as we head into Thursday night. Stray chance of an evening shower. Better chances of an isolated thunder shower toward daybreak with a warm front. And then we're mainly quiet for the daytime hours of Friday, but the late evening and overnight, a thunderstorm complex comes in on Friday night in the early Saturday morning from the northwest. It will be weakening as it moves in, but there still could be some strong to severe thunderstorms with gusty straight line winds. So I'll show you the risk outlook here in just a moment. And then that pushes south for the morning. How far south that pushes the effective front will determine whether there's afternoon and evening redevelopment on Saturday. GFS model says yes, Euro model says no, others are back and forth. So we're still working out the details for Saturday afternoon and Saturday night. There's a chance redevelopment stays south of us, but it could be closer to the area if the GFS is closer to right. If those Friday night storms weaken a little faster and they don't push the cold front farther south. Scatter showers and thunderstorms Sunday. Scatter showers and thunderstorms possible Monday. We hold on to them into the middle of next week. Friday night is when we'll be watching for those strong to severe thunderstorms. It's not a big threat by any means. Level 2 out of 5 risk of severe storms for southern middle Tennessee, North Alabama into northeast Mississippi, and a low end level 1 out of 5. Late evening into the overnight, a thunderstorm complex comes in from the northwest. It will be gusting out and weakening as it moves in. However, there still could be some pockets of damaging straight line winds with some severe thunderstorm warnings. So that's why we have to be aware of this. But with it gusting out and weakening with time, that really lowers the threat of large hail, and it really lowers the threat of any tornado activity. Don't want to say there's a 0% chance of a tornado because the threat is not 0, but it will be really low. We'll watch it just in case, but primary threat is a few pockets of damaging straight line winds as the storms weaken as they move in late Friday evening and overnight. Temperatures around here the next 7 days, mid to upper 80s. I wouldn't be shocked at a few folks either Thursday or Friday in North Alabama briefly hitting their 90 degrees. So we're warmer here, and that warmer air not going anywhere anytime soon. As you grab your first cup of coffee in the morning, starting on the mild side, partly cloudy skies, a south wind 7 to 10 miles per hour, mid to upper 60s, warming into the mid to upper 80s by the afternoon. Dry for your daytime. Again, we'll hold on to that 10% chance of a sprinkle or shower just in case, but I think we're dry. Late night storm after midnight possible. And then we'll watch Friday overnight for that thunderstorm complex. Some of the storms could be strong to severe with damaging straight line winds. Chances daily of showers and thunderstorms. Not all day washouts, but daily chances of scattered thunderstorms all the way through the middle of next week. That's the latest 7-day forecast. Ben Luna is here in the Weather Center tomorrow morning, live at 6 a.m. with your Wake Up Weather forecast.